You asked me before I start the sheet, I should talk how a person should be happy. If a person is connected, if a person talks to Hashem every day, everything that bothers him. Simple, say it. Not in a formal way. It's not like you have to, let's say, Shachris Mincha Maariv, you have to say this Nisach HaTfilah. The Anshe Knesset Gdoyle says, this is the Nisach HaTfilah every Yid, every Jew has to say, Shachris Mincha Maariv every day. And the Rambam says in Hilchas Tfilah, what is the mitzvah's esef in Tfilah? The mitzvah's esef in Tfilah is a person should talk to Hashem in his language, what bothers him, and what he's thankful for Hashem. But the Anshe Knesset Gdoyle sees that it's going to be a long gulas. The people gonna forget from Tfilah, so they make this rule Shachris Mincha Maariv to save a person. You are in the mood, you're not in the mood. You have what to pray. You don't have what to pray. You have to do this. This holds you near to Hashem. But the real Tfilah is a person talks to Hashem in his language. My language is English. I'm asking Hashem. Hashem, help me financially. Help me to find a shidduch. I have a shidduch already. Help me. I should have shalom bayis. Help me. I should have nachas for my kids. I have a problem with this child. I have a problem with this child. Stam shmuz mit der Eibishter. You sit in your car. Turn on the music. A nice song opens your heart. Start shmuzing with Hashem. It's the best thing. This makes a person happy. This makes a person close to Hashem.